Now type 4 we are having to find the equation of a straight line which makes intercepts A and B on x axis and y axis respectively. Now what we have gone through, we have gone through the point slope form, slope intercept form, then 2-point form, and now we are having intercept form, means a line is cutting x axis and y axis both. So I have made a figure here. Now let's derive the result. Now according to the figure, let the straight line L, the straight line is mentioned, I have mentioned here L. Now condition is there that neither parallel to x axis nor parallel to y axis, means then only it can cut the intercepts. Okay. So the straight line L meets x axis at A and y axis at B such that now OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B. O is here A and B. Okay. Therefore, coordinates of A are A comma 0 and of B are 0 comma B. One thing. Now slope of line AB, say M. Now slope of line AB, M is now, it will be B minus 0 upon 0 minus A. This is equal to negative of B upon A. Now M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay. Now let P x comma y be any point arbitrary on AB. Equation of straight line AB. Now the equation becomes y minus, we are having coordinates A and B. Okay. So we can take any of the coordinates here to get the equation, because we are having both the points A and B are on the line. So you can go with any of the points. Okay. So let's go with point A. Now y minus 0 is equal to M. M is negative of B upon A, x and x1 is A. Okay. So what we have used, y minus y1 is equal to M x minus x1. Now this becomes AY is equal to negative of BX positive of BA. BX plus AY is equal to BA. BX upon BA plus AY upon BA is equal to BA upon BA. Dividing both sides by BA. X upon A plus y upon b is equal to 1 is the required equation. This is the answer. Now, so equation in the intercept form, it is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1.